Many times we want to the pass the data from the parent to multiple component, we want to pass a data parent child 1, and inside child 1 I want to pass data another, like that. We want to create it here one example, here we import the parent, and inside parent we pass this props Amit, and here parent I want to again pass a props to the child 1, and here I pass a child 1 to the child 2, and child 2 display this name here. See with output here, see here Amit, we pass a Amit from the parent and display from the child 2. This is called a props dealing. When we pass a data from child, parent to child, child to child, child to child, this is called a props dealing. When we pass the data from the parent to another component, and after that another component, and after that another component, we don't need pass through data from these two components, only need for the this component. We can pass a data directly to the this component through the context API. Let's see it how to use the context API. For that, first of all we want to create a one file. Here giving the name is context.js, and inside context.js we want to first of all import create context, and after that just create a one variable like a store, and inside store create context, and export default we can do this store, and after that just call this store in the import this store in the app.js, and here let's import store from context API context, and after that just create a one use state like a name or okay, create a new name and curly bracket in name set name, and inside that use state just pass in name by default value, and wrap this whole component uh, store dot provider, and here we want to pass the value also. We want to pass this name, and here let's see, we want to close it also. Inside we want to update all these things. Let's see here, and here don't need to pass this props, so let's remove it everywhere. Child 2, after that remove this, and also in the parent. Now we want to directly pass this to the child 2. No need to pass parent 1 and child 1 and child 2. For that I already wrap the store dot provider, and now let's pass this value Amit, this one, and now I want to use is for that in the child 2 come and const open the variable and like name, and also use context, import the use context here, make sure will be imported, and after that just this copy this name and paste it here. Now let's see the output. See here name is coming. When we change something in the app.js like that, here we give the dynamic coding with Amit. See, refresh the page. Okay, something is maybe. Yeah, we want to wrap this component also in the app. Now let's see it. And in the child component, and also I want to also, yeah, I was forgetted to import the store. Import store and just copy this store and paste it here in the use context API. Now let's see, this output is coming. Now here in the app.js, when we change something, any other things like that, it automatically reflected here. Thank you for watching. If this video is for helpful for you, like it, comment it. If not, just comment it which things I want to improve it. Thank you for watching.